bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here.
The Cebu Electrical and Control System online and actual training. Right here, I made graphics for the instrumentation because previously we were discussing more on electrical only. So now I'm gonna discuss about the concept of the instrumentation. What is the instrumentation for those don't know what is the instrumentation. So here I made a graphics, instrumentation graphics, which is we have a liquid pump, and then we have on and off valve, and we have here
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back.
and we have here limit switch, and here we have here control valve, and we have liquid tank and level transmitter. So right here I'm gonna discuss what is the signal of its instrument component. Just keep in our mind that in the instrumentation signals we have only 4 signals only, which is we have digital input and output, and we have also analog input and output. That 4 signals that is very important to know of this instrumentation. So here I made a graphic. This is graphic. This is the disease. As you can see here, this is the disease. The meaning of disease is distributed control system, which is this is only the monitoring. This is only the screen that the DC is the one to operate this graphics. Okay, I gonna explain in one by one what is the signal of its component and what is the function of its component. Like here.
We meant to be in the great
Okay, as I made here the graphics, we have here liquid pump. The liquid pump signals to start up the pump. Because if you are talking about the instrumentation, this pump, even though the power supply of this pump is like 220 volts, 440 volts, but the signal to energize this pump since we are using instrumentation, the power to energize of this pump is only 24 volts. That's it. That's we call a digital output. You can see here this digital output. That is the signal goes to that pump to energize that pump. The signal digital output is coming from the DCS. And here we have and the function of this pump is to feed the liquid from the suction from the suctions, and then going to the discharge, and then feeding to the tank of the liquid. And here we have on and off valve. The function of this on and off valve is the signal of this on and off valve is digital output also, because here there is solenoid valve with the built-in of this on and off valve. There is a solenoid valve. That solenoid valve it can be energized by 24 volts by from DCS, and then on the top of this on and off valve there is a limit switch, because the limit switch, it will be indicated to the DCS what is the position of the valve. Like if the valve is close position, then the limit switch will send a signal to the DCS that the valve is on or off position. That is the function of the on and off valve. Once there is a malfunction of this in the system, then the DCS will send signal 24 volts to the solenoid valve of the on and off valve to shut off the liquid pump. So we proceed here. This is the control valve. What is the difference between on and off valve and then control valve? This on and off valve, the operation of this on and off valve is only closing and opening of the on and off valve. And this control valve, there is a positioner. There is this one is I2P. There is a current to pressure. The operation of this on and off valve is only variable opening. Like DCS can send analog. This is analog output signal. The DCS can send an analog output signal to open variable of this on and off valve. Like the DCS, it can send 25% open of this valve through the I2P, through the positioner of the on and off valve. The DCS can open a variable like 20%, 50%, 25%, and 100% opening of this line. This is the process line going to the tank. And here we have the tank. This is the reservoir tank. So whatever the liquid from the suctions of the from the discharge of this pump is feeding directly to the liquid tank. So this is the level transmitter here. This level transmitter, the signal is from the transmitter is going to the DCS. So this level transmitter, it is monitoring the level situation of this water tank. Once the function of this transmitter, once the level tank is on low level, then the level transmitter analog input signal is send signal to the pump, the digital output to energize the pump. And then once the liquid tank is on 100% full, then again the level transmitter analog input signal will send signal to the pump to de-energize the pump because the tank is already full. Okay, that is the for this time. That is only a very brief explanation about the instrumentation. I just made these graphics to demonstrate what is the instrumentation concept and what is the instrumentation function. So later on, I have to elaborate more this information. I have to discuss about the electrical controller of this pump with associated with this instrumentation. I will make a schematic diagram and for this electrical, and I will make loop diagram for this instrumentation.